pour as much as you want of the glue. Doesn't really matter how much you pour.
Are we making a video?
Yeah.
What's up, peeps?
That's my sister.
Go like and subscribe to her.
There's already an activator on the bowl, so I don't need to add any. But the activator I'm using, which is kind of helpful, I'm using contact solution, this, and baking soda. I almost said baking powder, but baking soda. You'll have to only use baking soda. You can't use baking powder because it won't work. So that's the second recipe instead of using borax or tide. If that's the ingredients you have already. I'm already getting the thing. I have a little bit of the activator right there. My second bowl, because you can't have them on the same bowl. My friend isn't here today. It's like night. Oh my god, that's freaking sticky. I need my other slime. So this is the slime I made when I was doing it off camera. My sister was playing it like it was some sort of a stress ball. Because it does feel like when we have like, jeez. So it's gonna be better off if you put your slime in the container instead of a bag. So this is my second slime I did off camera. Thank you so much for 11 subscribers. Excuse me. Yeah, 11 subscribers. I can't believe that. Okay, so it's a little bit sticky, so I might add a little more activator. If you guys saw my sister, that was my sister. If you saw her. Yeah. Ugh. The thing is still sticky. You might feel like little strings because I don't know why, but does this ever happen to you guys? Like when you make slime or something, or like, and when you like mix them, like when you use your hands or something, it feels like there's hair on it, but it's actually just the glue and the. It's just actually the glue and the. Whoops! It's just actually the glue and the activator or something. So that's the second recipe if you guys don't have Tide, Staflo, or borax or anything. I'm gonna try to look up some different recipes so you guys can make slime and play it in school or something. But don't watch my videos at school, please, because then that's gonna be very embarrassing. Alright, so as you can see that the slime is getting off. I'm gonna get my other pair of slime and then I'm gonna put it in that slime. This one. Put like that. So that slime that I have, the second pair of slime, can be fixed. Can you shut up? Sorry. It's sticky. Add any kind of food coloring as you guys want. Doesn't really matter. I'm just gonna go for white because the glue is white already. I'm just using a straw because I don't want to use any of my spoons because I don't have any plastic spoons. My nose is itchy. Okay, so this is what I have now. Oh my god, don't smell it. It smells bad. I don't know why I'm smelling it, but it smells bad. I'm scared. There's a ghost in my house. I'm just kidding. Next thing, I might do a challenge. I don't know when though. Maybe Monday I might do the challenge. Alright, so I'm gonna give you guys recipes again. So you guys will have to start it over once again. Let me just put that on the side. So here's what you guys need again. Baking soda. Only baking soda, not baking powder. No. I forgot the other one. But you have to use baking soda. Some contact solution. I got this contact solution at Walmart. It was expensive, but it was okay. 2 separate bowls, and I have a straw because, like I said, I don't want to use any of my spoons because then I might ruin it or not. So the big one I use for my glue, and the small one I use for the baking soda and contact solution. It doesn't really matter what you add first for the baking soda or contact solution. I added contact solution first and then baking soda, and then I stirred it to the powder mix in with the solution. And I'm using Alvarez glue, the giant one that I got from Target for $14 yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. Comment down below what should I do next. And yeah. Bye bye.